Hey guys, it's Bree and I'm back with another video. And I don't really know, or I know why, but I recently got a tattoo and I was going to vlog it, but like the people came to my house and like I didn't want to like film them because I didn't know if they would be comfortable with that, and like I should have asked, but like I didn't. But look at this. Look at it. Oh my goodness. It is beautiful. Beautiful. So like a little background on this tattoo. I have 4 orchids on my arm, and the orchids are representing my grandpa because that was his favorite flower when he was here with us. And the 4 is 1 flower for him, and then the 3 other ones are for my sisters and I. So I have a piece of grandpa and my sisters with me always. But yeah, so I got a tattoo. That was my first legal thing that I've done since turning 18. But yeah, and right now it's 2:47. It's the late start to the vlog. I've been babysitting my niece, so just played with her all morning. She's taking a nap right now. So the game plan for this video is to vlog a little bit, show you guys my chest and arm workout. We're gonna do some biceps today and chest, obviously, and some hidden abs. And I'll show you guys my hidden ab circuit because like last time I didn't. I don't know why I didn't, but I'll do it this time. And then after that, Sam and I are gonna make some healthy treats. So this is gonna be like a workout and healthy treats. Alrighty guys, I am going to fill up my hydro flask. And it's gonna be really bad, so I have no pre-workout because like I don't use it usually. I just use it whenever my friends have it. So to get some energy, I have to go for the pink monster, but it's 0 calories, so it's fine. Not really, but like, I mean it is 0 calories, but like, you know what I mean? Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna fill up my water, and then I'm gonna meet Sam at the gym. Sam's gonna be recording for me today. Oh my God, my eyes. Oh, yeah, we're gonna have a good ass workout, so see you in the next clip. Alrighty, just got to the gym, putting everything inside my locker right now, and just waiting for Sam. So when she gets here, we'll head upstairs. But let me show you my little outfit today. Just a little crop and some 90-degree leggings. 10 out of 10 recommend. And hummus. So yeah, chest and arms. Let's get it. Hi, Sammy. Alrighty guys, Sam and I killed our workout. We look a little crazy right now. Just a little crazy, just a little bit. But yeah, We killed it. We're gonna finish off in the sauna for 15 minutes. So we'll catch you after the sauna and we'll see you in the next clip. Oh my gosh, it's Blackwell! Whoa! Hey friend, I don't know. Hi.
How you doing, man?
Sammy and I are done with the workout for the day. And now we're gonna go home, change, grab our meal prep, go grocery shopping for some sweets,
And bake.
and bake all night. And you guys will see that in the rest of this vlog, so keep watching. Okay, I just got home and I showered and I grabbed all my stuff for Sam's tonight. But I'm grabbing my meal prep right now, and it's just white rice, some chicken, broccoli, and some bell peppers at the top, and I'm gonna top it off with some sriracha. And in total, that comes to 350 calories, I believe. And yeah, so I'm gonna eat that once I get to Sam's house. But right now, I'm waiting for her to pick me up. I think I already said that. But we're gonna go to the grocery store and grab some stuff to make some healthy baked goods. Ooh, she texted me, I think. Yep, Sam's here. So I'll see you guys with Sammy. Bye. We have made it to the Walmart and we decided, what are we making?
Protein fudge bars.
Because we're healthy and we want dessert though. So
Chocolate.
you're gonna come shopping with us. Let's do it.
Thus far, we've gotten cocoa powder, some nuts. Can't find that honey. Where's the honey? Where's the honey? Where's my honey? We got milk at home, and we got, what else did we got at home? Peanut butter. We need protein as well. But we gotta find the honey. We gotta see the honey. Honey. Alrighty, we got everything that we needed. And we're baking and baking.
It's 10:40 and we are eating our last meal of the night. Just kidding, we're about to have some dessert after we make it. But for now, we're gonna watch the cooking show, as Sam says. And I'm gonna finish eating. Oh, she's gonna eat some oatmeal. We finished our food. We are watching our show. We're gonna pause and play some music and we're gonna get baking. It's Sam and Bree. Welcome to our cooking show. We are baking protein fudge bars. So, if you want to know how to make this, keep watching. So, over here we have honey, peanut butter, cocoa powder, pecans, and protein of choice. And we got a little, what is the mixer thingy called?
Oh, KitchenAid mixer.
KitchenAid mixer, okay? And we have our pan and some measuring tools. So we're gonna figure out how to use the KitchenAid mixer.
I need some scissors.
And I'm so buff that I can just beat this. You're gonna break up your nuts of choice. And just, so it should look like this. Some chunks and some bits and pieces, you know? And Sammy, how you doing over there?
It's plugged in.
It's plugged in? Okay, we gotta find the instructions for all this.
Yeah.
Okay,
Fill it
we
how
need
many times?
3/4 cup of milk. Alrighty, we're gonna take 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. We're gonna take 1 tablespoon of the honey. Now we're gonna take 1 7/8 of a scoop and add it to the mix. Alrighty, now we're gonna take 6 tablespoons of peanut butter. Okay, so this recipe, we tripled it, so that's why there's so much going into it, and this serves 36 people is what we're doing right now. So we're gonna have a lot of extras for the two of us. We'd probably still eat them all though.
Yeah.
They're healthier.
I mean, why not?
I just logged us into MyFitnessPal and it came out to 49 calories per square, 3 grams of protein, 3 grams of fat, and 3 grams of carbs. So, you know, pretty good. Use your KitchenAid lady and do your kitchen blending. I hope this doesn't go all over the place.
I know, I'm kind of
That'd be pretty sad.
Okay.
Now we're gonna take our pecans and scoop it out. Now we're just gonna transfer over into our little penny pan. And to finish it all, we're just gonna take some drizzles of the pecans. Same, just put it into the fridge, or the freezer for an hour. It is 11:51, so at 12:51, maybe sooner, we'll check on it. We check in it. That is the fridge. Round 2.
There we go. Found it.
Ooh, how do we check? I don't
it
know.
back in.
Poke it. Wait, poke it. Literally poke it. Is it hard?
Yeah.
Okay, I think we're good.
We're good.
Right now, it is currently 1:12, and we're gonna test these bad boys out. They're looking pretty bomb.
I'm so excited.
Sam, good job. That was all Sam. Oh my goodness. She just cut them all up.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. There you go.
You gotta get yours too.
Okay.
That's good.
That's really good.
And the pecans. They're really good. Tastes like chocolate. I think that they're done.
Yeah,
Just fudge isn't like hard, you know?
yeah, it's just like right in the middle. It's like
It's
really
soft.
gooey.
It has really good. So I'm not complaining. Good job. I think we can go to sleep now. We killed our workouts today. We're gonna go to sleep now. See you in the next vlog.
Good night.
Good night.